thing throws out some wind. So this is the highest setting. And I'm holding it all the way out here. Pretty long arms, and it's kicking some wind back. That's the highest setting and loud. So, or it's not loud. Low setting. Okay, nice gentle breeze. Medium. And then high. So back controls your power outlet. Just a light to let you know it's on. I guess if you were behind it, you could see, and then the power cord or power button. And nice flexible legs. These kind of move here. I guess if your kid was in a normal, like a high chair or something, you could set it up like a tripod or wrap it around your carrier. Pretty cool, pretty nice. Pumped about it.
Multi-different level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. And you can manipulate the stands as much as you want to wrap around what you want to wrap it around. You can maneuver this in whichever direction you want the wind to blow.